Attention Railsplitters.
Attention Railsplitters.
Attention Railsplitters.
Attention Railsplitters.
In light of our new practice of social distancing,
we would like to virtually welcome you back to campus.
We know how hard this may be for you.
You may feel anxiety,
Fear,
Impatience, or sadness.
But you need to know
we are here.
We are here.
We're here.
We are here.
if you need anything, please reach out.
You will not go through this alone.
as we finish out these last few weeks of classes,
It is important to remember
You are a rail splitter.
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 we are rail splitters.
We are Railsplitters.
We're rail splitters. We are rail splitters. L's up.
You've got this.
Keep pushing.
Don't let this struggle take away from your success.
Stay positive.
stay healthy.
Go Splitters. Go Splitters.
Go Splitters.
Go Splitters.